Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the command palette because it gives fast access to theme controls. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P, then type Preferences, Color Theme. Once the list appears, use the arrow keys to preview each theme in real time. This lets you compare contrast and syntax highlighting instantly. Make sure to pause on themes that change editor readability, because the preview is the quickest way to judge comfort for long coding sessions. If the built-in options aren't enough, install a new theme via the Extensions view. Open it with Ctrl plus Shift plus X, search terms such as dark, light, high contrast, or a specific theme name. Once you find one, click Install and wait a moment for assets to load. After installation, return to Preferences, Color Theme, and choose the newly installed option. This ensures syntax tokens and UI Chrome update together for consistent appearance across panels and terminals. To finalize, customize theme details or override token colors via Settings. JSON when you need precise tweaks. Open Preferences, open Settings, JSON, and add Workbench. Color customizations or Editor. Token color customizations for targeted changes. Make sure to adjust Workbench. Layout options if panels hide content. If your theme appears wrong, disable other color-related extensions or run developer. Reload window to clear cache. This commonly fixes conflict.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.